YTP.
What a beautiful summer's day.
I'm going for a swim.
Like all seals, Honk loved to swim. The only trouble was, he lived such a long way from the sea that by the time he got there, it was dark.
No!
Oh no! And Honk lived even further away from the river, so by the time he got there, it was winter. Oh no! Poor Honk. He just couldn't think what to do. Hello, Grizzle. I think I've got the answer, Honk. What you need is a swimming pool. Of course! A swimming pool! How do I make one of those then, Grizzle?
Easy peasy.
All you need is a hole in the ground. Brilliant! I'll go and buy one straight away. Honk hurried off to town to buy a hole. Yahoo!
Follow me!
Have you heard the one about the 3 eggs, Quack? No, Chirp. Too bad. Morning, Honk.
Morning, Honk.
Morning, Quack. Good morning, Chirp. Can't stop. I've got to buy a hole. For a swimming pool. Good morning. I'd like to buy a hole, please. A large hole. A very large hole. A swimming pool.